Happy Halloween! Today, we're bringing you an easy recipe we found online for making some peanut butter spider cookies. The ingredients you'll need are 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of dark or light brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 cups of creamy peanut butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 bag of peanut butter cups, and small eye candies. First, whisk all your dry ingredients together: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then set it aside. Next, mix together your peanut butter, sugar, and brown sugar in a mixer. Then add your eggs, butter, vanilla, and mix. Once that is mixed, you can start to add in your dry ingredients. Mix it well. Chill the dough for about an hour in the fridge. Out of the fridge, take about 2 tablespoons of dough and start rolling it into balls. Then dip them in sugar and place it on your cookie pan. Make sure to press down on your cookie balls. It's okay if the edges start to break a little bit. Lastly, don't forget to make a small indent in the middle of the cookie for the spider you'll add. Then bake the cookies at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool once out of the oven, or else the chocolate will melt. Now you can start decorating. Take your peanut butter cups and add a little bit of frosting to it and lay it in the indent on the cookie. Then add some frosting to your candy eyeballs and place them on your peanut butter cup. Then take your frosting and start adding in the legs. And that's pretty much it. These make the perfect treat for Halloween. Let us know how yours turn out. Share, like, and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.